Okay, here we are back out in the greenhouse for another update. And here's my 3 boxes. This is the one under the Growtronics lights. Looking good. There's the one underneath my Bloom Plus, and they're looking relatively good. Here's the ones under my Mars Hydro. And here's the ones. They're just straight sunlight and whatever spillover there is. So they're looking good. Here's the Lemon Boy. And you can see he's already starting to produce these little suckers. Normally I just take and pinch them off because I don't need the extra growth and I don't need the extra tomatoes. If you want, you can take these guys, let them grow a little longer and clone them, but that's not going to do that this year. Don't need it. So you can see on these guys, the leaves are looking good. They're just the slightest bit of purple on that guy. Those are older leaves. The new leaves, they're looking nice and green. Now that's the Lemon Boy. This is my Sunrise Bumblebee. And there's a pair of them there. That's okay. I'll leave them be. But they're growing nice. They look good. And then here is my Rio Grande. And again, they're also starting to produce a lot of these little. That's a larger one. In fact, that one's almost big enough. You could just stab in the ground. There. Just cloned him. And I do have one of my older videos from last year showing how to clone tomatoes, so that's something you might want to check out. Come over here to the Mars Hydro box. The new leaves are not turning purple, so that's kind of a good thing. Obviously they're starting to uptake the potassium that it needs. You can see the tip on that guy's still purple, but again, this is the older leaves. And again, it's starting to grow a bunch of these suckers that you just want to peel off, throw away. So again, the Lemon Boy, looking good and healthy. My Sunrise Bumblebees, and the Rio Grandes in the back there. Come over here. Now this is the Bloom Plus. Hey, what's that little guy? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a nettle. I'm going to let it grow out a bit. So here's the Bloom Plus, and it's not doing quite as well. You can see this leaf here, it turned quite purple, and it's not doing so good. Again, they've got the suckers running. So I'm going to have to spend some quality time out here with my tomatoes to remove those suckers. Sunrise Bumblebee, it's looking pretty good. And there's my Rio Grande. And it's looking pretty good too. Okay, and this here is the Growtronics lights again. And look at that guy there. See that? I'm looking at him going, yep, that is definitely a nettle. And I don't know why. We've been getting a lot of nettles out of these boxes the last little while. And I've noticed a real huge pile of nettles in my garden that I haven't had nettles in the 30 years that I've lived here until the last couple of years. So what's going on with nettles right now, I don't know. They claim they are a medicinal plant. I don't care. I don't want them. So it's out of here. But the tomatoes are looking good. Again, the purple on the back of the leaves, now that's again an older leaf. And here's some of the newer leaves, and they've got a touch of purple to them too. This guy here, which is the sunrise bumblebee, it doesn't appear to have purple coming. And the Rio Grande doesn't appear to have purple coming either. They're all putting out suckers, so I'm going to have to spend some quality time in here. It's an ongoing event. So last time I did an update, I'd watered. Again, this time I've watered. And what's interesting is the 3 boxes that are under the lights, they all took roughly 8 liters to fill the box. And the one that's just under the natural light, it took 16 liters. So that's interesting. I'm going to carry on tracking that, because normally if you have more light, the plants drink more, they get more nutrients, so they get bigger. But in this case, straight natural light, no additional light, is drinking twice as much. So that'll be interesting to track the rest of the year. Anyways, that's it for this update. No matter where you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day and enjoying yourself. Cheers.